Please everybody chant after me. Antarjyoti
Antarjyoti
Bahirjyoti
Bahirjyoti
Pratyakjyoti Paratpara
Pratyakjyoti Parapara
Jyotireva Jyotihi
Jyotireva Jyotihi
Atma Jyoti Shivosmyaham.
Atma Jyoti Shivosmaham.
Now the Guru Vandana. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu,
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu,
Guru Devo Maheshwara,
Guru Deva Maheshwara,
Guru Sakshat Parabrahma,
Guru Sakshat Parabrahma,
Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha.
Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha.
When we say this prayer, the next one is respect to the Guru Parampara. We are following the Narayana Samarambhat or the Sadashiva Samarambhat as it says that we have to follow a parampara, which is the Vedantic parampara we are following. Mostly our teachings, which Prabhuji is teaching, are from the both the paramparas. That's why he says that we have to say this prayer to invoke all our gurus who have written the divine scriptures also. Narayana Samarambhat Shankaracharya Madhyamam Asmadacharya Paryantam Vande Guru Paramparam.
Vande Guru Parampara.
Sadashiva Samarambhat
Samarambhat
Shankaracharya Madhyamam Asmadacharya Paryantam Vande Guru Paramparam.
Vande Guru Parampara.
Hari Om everybody. Welcome to the first session of Shri Guru's session. We are studying the Tattva Bodha, which is the first Prakarana Grantha by Adi Shankaracharya. Gurudeva has talked about 93-92 videos on this, and he has asked us to go through each video in a group so that all the gist, all the summary, whatever he has talked is actually the essence of Tattva Bodha. The Tattva is the essence what Shankaracharya is talking about in this Prakarana Grantha. The entire microcosm as well as the macrocosm, both are consisting of this essence. But to know this essence, there is a systematic study required. The systematic study, we are so fortunate that our Acharya, Prabhuji, makes it so simple that he gives it in very small bits, and he gives such stories which are so intuitive, and everybody of us is definitely going to get the essence in its purest form, and that is the true grace for us. Let us start with the first speaker of today, Sublakshmi ji. I request you to please discuss some things from the video number 1, which was shared with you. Your understandings is very important for us, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Namaste, Hari Om to all Atma Jyotis present here. And first, take my pranam who has introduced us to all these things and start what I understood from, little understood whatever from video which has been given to me. This is actually, as Guruji said, it is a text by Shankaracharya given, and Tattva Bodha means essential nature. Tattva means essential nature. It's a reality. We have to understand the reality. And you have to understand the reality, and accordingly we have to deal with that. Then it is real nature. We have to understand that. So there is a world, there is a myself. So then in that first we have to understand the world. World means whatever we see from our perspective and whatever is available outside. How it has come. So there is one this one natural power which is behind that. That is God. He is the creator of the world. As also myself. The whole thing has been created by the God. So we have to understand the God first. God and that nature, whatever that nature of the creator means, that myself and God, both we have to understand. So finally, we have to understand that God and myself both are one and the same. So and then that is called Brahman. Once you know about it, it is Brahman, and the supreme reality. When you know about it, it will give peace. And then this is what Shankaracharya had given through and all in Vedanta, everything they have given the scripture to know about myself and the world. That is the basic this one. And finally, we have to understand that through all the scriptures, etc. So that Tattva Bodha means teaching. Tattva means Tattvam Asi. That is the main thing one we have to understand. So then the essential nature, my essential nature is God or Brahman. And we have to start living in the God consciousness. That is what little I understood about this one. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Our next speaker is Chandrasekhar ji. Chandrasekhar ji, could you please introduce yourselves because you are new to the group? We want to know about you, please.
I'm Chandrasekhar. I stay in Bangalore. I'm a civil engineer by profession. I have a company of my own that's essentially interior design and construction. And I got associated with the Guruji group 4 years back through one of my other spiritual group by name Indra Shambhu. Can you all hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah,
sure. I'm blessed to know the Tattva Bodha and Vedanta studies. I was craving for to learn, and this gives him an opportunity to learn a bit to my knowledge and experience whatever is been taught by Guruji. And I'm really blessed to be in this group where I think I'll be elevating myself to what I want to be with the blessings of Guruji.
Yes, sir.
That's me. I've heard about the Guruji Tapoboda. I'll explain in what the way I've learned and understood to my perceptions. Guruji, the Tattva Bodha is a real essence of the thing. It's not the superficial as well as the real essential of the product of any item. Guruji has given an example, taking the example of a mud glass. A glass is made of mud or clay. And what is that? It is a glassness. A glass is the essential nature of the glass is glassness. What is the essential nature of glassness? It's a clay. And what is the essential nature of the clay? That is very important. We should understand. A glass can be made by any other material also, and the clay can be formed into any other form. And we look at as a superficial thing as a clay, as a glass, but we doesn't go into the clay and look at the creator or the God in the clayness. And we should, and our body is also in the same, is made up in the same way, like flesh and everything. But the essential nature of bodiness is Atman, and within the Atman is the God. That's what I understand, and that God is nothing but the truth we have to look into us. Yes, ma'am. That's what I understood, ma'am. If you can please.
So it's a very clear understanding, but I wanted to hear some more, because your understanding and your presentation is quite clear. I would appreciate if you could talk some more for the next time. Your understanding is very clear, sir. You are precisely quoting some things which are actually very nice for a first time. Actually, if you are listening to Prabhuji, I don't know from what time, but your understandings are very clear. I would request you to please talk a little bit more from the next session, sir. Yeah. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Then our next speaker is Indraji. Indraji, could you please?
Sheetalji, we can even check with them. Can we ask them questions or no?
Correct. I think after every session, we should discuss a little, ask them questions and talk about it a little bit.
Yeah, after the session.
No, not after the whole session, after each speaker.
After each speaker.
Yeah.
After the whole session, we won't remember who said who. I mean, who said what.
Well, yeah. If you say so, you may, I'm open to the questions right now if you want to ask. Chandrasekhar.
Yeah, no, we can ask the speaker the questions rather than not to you, but
because
to the speaker.
If their understanding is
for Chandrasekhar ji, I mean, he's open for questions.
We'll start with Sublakshmi ji. Yeah.
Okay. You may ask her. Yeah, she's available. Yeah. She's available.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sublakshmi ji, I picked up a couple of things. You said creator. He is the creator, the God, and then there is us. And do you think there is a creator? The world is created?
Yes.
What do you think?
World is created.
Yes.
Or world is ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಒಳಗಿನ ಇದು ಹೊರಗಡೆಗೆ ಏನ್ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಪಂಚ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊತೀವಿ. ಆ ಪ್ರಪಂಚ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅದು ಸತ್ಯ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನಿತ್ಯ ಆದ್ರೂ ಎದುರು ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಕೂಡ, even if we are seeing from our eyes, but we should know that it is not real. So something when we can see that, so somebody else is there who has brought out all those things, including me. So that is what created. That is what is the word creator. That's what we understood. So somebody is there, that creator is God. And then what do you call, as Guruji had said, so I couldn't recollect that particular word, but it's coming to mind, and then that transpires into outer this one. So that's again myself. So my is only the creator. So if you think that way, God and myself is Brahman, one. So I am the creator. So do you mean to say that?
No, it is a wrong understanding. There is no creator at all. It is okay. ಅದು ಮಿಥ್ಯ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ
I'm not getting it.
ಒಂಥರ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
Okay. ಹಾ ಕೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಓಕೆ. ಈಗ ಒಬ್ಬ ಕುಂಬಾರ ಮಡಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಹಾಗೆ ಒಬ್ರು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟರ್ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ. ಅದು ಅದನ್ನ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಅದೇ ಗುರುಜಿ ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದು ನೀವು ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರೆ
Suryaji, yeah, this aspects, what you're talking is coming in the next, in the further more videos. What you are saying, there is no creator and creation. She will gradually pick up when we are finished with the 30th. Yeah. So it's a very good question. Yeah, it's a very good question.
If it is a wrong understanding, if it is a wrong concept, if she has, so it has to be corrected. We can't let it just go like that.
This understanding has still coming up. It's going to build up in this more sessions.
Sheetal, one small clarification. Because what has happened, because of my so many other commitments,
Can't hear you.
Can't hear you, ma'am. Subhlakshmi ji, we lost your audio actually.
Yeah.
See to it that I'll see the whole video and then and then go ahead with this one. Prepare for my class.
Yes, yes, madam. No
Subhlakshmi, there was one more thing. You said God and myself, and then you said they are one. That is Brahman. So that's right. But why do we use the two terms, God and myself? So we are using two terms, God and myself. So what is the difference between God and myself?
Separate. And then, so there is one creator and there is myself. The creator only created me also. And then again, it is one only. Subsequently, it is one. Initially, before understanding anything, we think there are two. And once we come to understand slowly, then it is one. That is what my feeling.
Okay. So, any more questions for Subhlakshmi ji? You have more questions for her?
I don't.
Okay.
But Rajni ji, do you have that confusion? That me and what is God?
No, I don't.
Okay. All right.
It is much deeper in the sense it is Ishvara when we say God. And when we say that the whole universe, when we call as God or the Ishvara, which God says, which is the all-knowing. And myself is also the same. But when it is taken in a bigger perspective or the universal, this thing, we say it as a God and myself. But the both are, they mean the same, the Brahman.
Yeah.
Some more questions.
Suryaji, would you like to add on this?
Add on which one? Oh, Rajni ji,
the God and myself. God and myself.
Yeah. When we are talking, right, we have to have a point of reference. So for that, there is me and there is name and there is everything. But other than that, when that point of reference is not required, then there should be just the being. And in there, in that being, you can say the world is part of it, but in that being, there is no me, and there is no world. There is no two things. But only for the transaction, while we are talking, two has to be there. Otherwise, we can't talk to each other.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you for the clarification.
Yeah. I'm the old student, right? So I think I've been with Guruji since 2007. So quite an old student.
Yeah.
Do we have any questions for Chandrasekhar ji?
All right, yeah, Chandrasekhar ji. Chandrasekhar ji, you said inside us there is Atman, and inside that there is God, or something like that, right?
Yeah. Inside us there is Atman. The essence of the Atman is a God, the creation. You can hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you clearly.
Now you can
you
hear me?
repeat it, please? Yeah,
Now
yeah.
you can.
Yeah, I can.
Yeah. Inside us, the human bodiness, or the Guruji has called it Atman. And the essence of the Atman is God. That is God. Essence of the Atman is God.
Okay.
That is it.
It's not like that. Essence of Atman is God. You cannot say like that. Atman is God. And it's not inside the body. Body is inside that. You can say it that way. And there is nothing outside of it. So there is no inside and outside to Atman or the God, which is the same thing, whatever you can call it. So probably you'll know about it more and more since after you continue with us and listen to more of Guruji's videos.
I mean, the reference point you had just quoted, Suryaji, where you said, in the last
Right.
in the last sentence, you had said that there is a point of reference for everything.
Right.
Atman,
While we are talking.
Yeah, while we are talking, because communication is always in duality.
Correct. Otherwise, you can't communicate.
You can't communicate. Yeah, there is a very beautiful talk on communication and communion by Prabhuji, which takes out. So we are heading towards the last 10 minutes of this session. So we'll have to log in again.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Sure.
this discussion is very, very beautiful. And we can go on to the next speaker and some more talks by in the Prabhuji's audios of self-knowledge talks, which are based on the communication and communion, where the reference point, how it shifts gradually. He has very beautifully made it understand. Chandrasekhar ji, I request you to please listen to them. Thank you. Indra ma'am, can we have you please? Thank you. Hari Om. Can you introduce yourself, Indraji, please? Your audio is very... No, your audio is lagging.
Nothing.
Nothing. No, nothing. No, not able to hear. The place where you're sitting, maybe the signals are very bad there. Can you just...
Yeah,
please shift. Yeah.
Am I audible here?
Yes.
Yeah.
Now.
Right.
Okay. Yeah, 1 minute. Yeah. Is it okay now?
Yeah, after
Yeah,
this,
much
in another 8
correct.
minutes, this session will end, and the next link I have sent you, you have to join in after this. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Please go ahead, Indraji. Yeah.
Yeah. So, yes, this my video is about the essential nature of the our being. Our essential nature is Brahman, and our search is we should search the aspect of God in each and everything in the world. That is the Tattva Bodha. Our essential nature is Atma, that is consciousness, and our superficial nature is body, mind, and the intellectual. And we have this human being, the two parts in that same word. Human is that superficial part of us, and the being is the essential part, is the Atma or the consciousness. Yeah, am I audible now? Is it
Yes.
clear?
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
very much, very much.
Yeah, so conscience, it never gives, but the real being part of us, we like, you know, our life goes into the superficial thing. We just think the whole, apart from that, we just think what we're doing, that becomes more important. We ignore the essential part of us. And only when we focus on being fulfilled, that real essential part, when we focus on that,
Indraji, again, it's not audible. Indraji, nothing.
No.
Here?
No.
No?
Now it's coming a little bit. Please, you have to repeat
when,
the last.
Which one?
From the last
The last
sentence.
couple of lines you said. Yeah, no, last at least 3-4 sentences. I couldn't hear anything.
Okay, so when
Nothing. No, no, ma'am. No, no,
No,
ma'am.
it went off. Yeah,
No, ma'am.
yeah.
It's not
Is it
happening.
okay here?
This
Is
seems
it okay?
okay.
Fine here?
This seems fine for now.
Okay.
Please don't
So
shift
when we
anywhere.
ignore that,
Now it is audible.
when we ignore that,
But
now is it audible?
still not clear.
Is it fine here? Now?
Now okay. It comes and goes, I guess.
So when we ignore
No, Indraji.
Ma'am, you can
Again.
switch off the audio, video, so that, you know, the signal is better.
Correct.
Please switch off the video.
Correct.
Is it okay here? Here?
Please switch off your video so that the audio is clearer. I can switch it off for you.
Is it fine here? No?
Please
Indraji.
switch
Yeah,
off.
yeah.
Sheetalji will switch off your video so that you can just speak. Sheetalji,
Yeah. Please, I'm switching off your
do
video,
it and
ma'am.
Wi-Fi on, see.
yeah. Now speak, Indraji.
Yeah, please speak. ma'am.
Panchi. Yeah.
Is it okay here?
Indraji, speak. Yeah, I think this is going to work. Please
Yeah.
speak. Indraji? Indraji?
We have lost her totally or something. She's there on the list yet.
Yeah, I think she didn't hear when you said I'm switching off the video and you
Yeah,
just
she
speak.
could not. So, Suryaji, you are the last person left here. I mean, we don't have Vineet. Okay. So,
Oh, yeah.
we will
There's
have to.
5 minutes more. Shall we?
Yeah, I think so. You can take any which time. But, you know, after this session, we will switch on directly to the next session and you may continue again. You please start, sir.
Okay. All right.
Once she's back, we will ask her to
uh,
speak. Yeah.
Okay. My video of Guruji is also similar to Indraji's, I think. It's about the human part and the being part. And and then the last part of Guruji's video was about Satchitananda. I remember Rajniji asking once, this Ananda is not happening, this bliss is not coming.
In Atma Darshan.
Do you remember?
Omkara. In Omkara class. Yeah.
Yeah. So,
yeah.
yeah. Now it's about now the human part and the being part. I want to ask you guys, we have this being part, and of course, yeah, human. Do you think we have a separate being part, or it's just the one being part which is the same to everyone? What do you think?
Being is the separate. Being is the same to everyone. It is the
Same.
consciousness.
It's
Yeah.
like the
Oh.
ocean and the waves. The wave thinks that it's separate, but it's
Right.
not.
Correct. So you guys all know that being is the same for everyone.
Absolutely.
Or what do you think, Subbulakshmi ji?
Kandita. It is same for everyone.
Okay. Is it different for animals, cats, and trees and stuff?
It is same.
It's
It's
the
the
same, right? Yeah.
Same.
But why is it so hard to be in the being? Right? That is the challenge, isn't it? We
All
are not able
essential-
to. Right. All essential
External
activities.
circumstances. External
Circumstances.
circumstances, activities, everything. Make us not
Correct.
to be in the being.
No,
Correct,
the
correct.
thing is that the thing is that the most of our interactions are at the societal level, and that is when we are at the body level, and even in relationships or anything for that matter is the very vested interest. Like
Correct.
my husband would want me to be his wife, and that is the relationship which
Right.
comes up. The children, they
Yeah.
want their mother, that is the relationship they want. So there's always a vested
Correct.
interest when it comes to the societal interactions. But
Yeah,
the consciousness is the same for everybody, and that is what we miss out
Correct.
on, and that is why the difference that's how it goes.
We
Well,
even
Problem
forget,
is we get engaged.
yeah, we even
We get
forget that.
engaged in the
We even